I don't know why my video is not up. Oh, there I am. Good afternoon, Judge.
Right, hold on one.
Judge Purdy, for some reason, I cannot see my video. It worked on my last Zoom, but it is not working now.
Okay, is that Mr. Hodges that is speaking?
It is Miss Hodges. Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Hodges, okay, well, give me one moment and we'll start in just a moment.
Is that not the same one? I see her on the top screen. There's two R Hodges.
I'll check. All right, we are on the record and cause number DC 22-09959, Benarita Barba versus Carla Yamil Chavez et al. May I have you all to announce on the record? Let me know your name and who you represent in this action.
My name is Rana Hodges. I am the attorney for the petitioner plaintiff, Benarita Barba, who is also here with me, also showing as a Rana Hodges or an R Hodges video. And I still can't seem to get my video up.
All right, okay, and you all are announcing ready for trial, is that correct, counsel?
No, Your Honor, we're not ready for trial. My client last night nearly had an automobile accident because of difficulty seeing. She went to the eye doctor this morning. She has conjunctivitis. She has great difficulty being able to read anything or to see clearly. Her vision is blurred. And on the 21st of September, I'm sorry, I did file a motion to continue this hearing on the basis that I was ill, am not yet fully recovered, and there are matters that I believe Mr. Perez and I, we have been working very this matter. It says my internet connection is also unstable now. We've been working very hard to settle this matter, Your Honor, and I think that with a little more time, we may be able to achieve that settlement and obviate the need for judicial involvement.
All right, is counsel for the defendant on the Zoom as well? And are you ready to proceed to trial?
Your Honor, my name is Benjamin Perez. I'm representing Carla Yamil Chavez and Collins McKay Chavez. We are not ready to proceed. I think plaintiff's counsel was sick, and I think we were sick the week before that with whatever was going around. We've tried our best to resolve or get close to that resolution, but I think we would need more time. One of my clients is not even here in the country. I don't know if she's actually in school in Spain, but that's Collins Chavez. But we would ask for more time to either reach an agreement or have a short hearing on the matters.
Okay, and how much time is needed? The concern of the court is this petition was filed on August 16th of 2022. So we're over a year. And you got your notice of trial setting on October of 18 of 2022, advising you of the trial setting. So I guess I'm trying to understand maybe the diligence that's taken place since this lawsuit was filed.
I can answer some of that, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm happy to hear from you.
In December, I had a surgery that put me completely out of the ability to work. Thereafter, I have had several illnesses that extended the three of them each were about 10 days long. I am still recovering from the latest one, which I was told is a virus. It is not COVID, but the doctor said that I'm just going to have to try to rest and recover and let it run its course. Those issues obviously have affected my calendar significantly. which has sort of jammed things up. I actually had 4 trials in the space of 10 days last month. And I'm so backlogged. I would ask the court to allow us at least 90 days.
Mr. Perez?
I wouldn't object to an extension of 90 days. Myself, I've had to deal with COVID last December, so I've got it every December since COVID started. I've had COVID, so I know for a fact that I was not responding to opposing counsel in December of last year. That doesn't mean that we hadn't been communicating on a regular basis with regards to the case. And I don't think that this case got ahead of out of our control. It's just things that were out of our control happened, and now we're here before you today, asking for a short reset to see if we could resolve the matter, and if not, have a hearing where both parties are prepared.
And the issue with your client being in Spain, how is that going to be resolved?
She finishes school this semester, so she should be out by the time we have a next hearing.
I'll reset this matter for 90 days. You'll be notified of the new date and time. It will be the absolute last reset. So either it's resolved or we have trial in 90 days.
Thank you very much, Judge Purdy.
Okay, all right. Like I said, you should get a new notice of trial setting. It probably will go out on tomorrow, but I will note the docket sheet.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes,
Your Honor.
yes.
Mr. Perez and I have begun discussion about possibly mediating the remaining issues. And would the court entertain a motion to mediate before that 90 days?
Well, there's a standard order in the court that you are ordered to mediation prior to the trial date. So I don't think that you have to have an order from the court if both sides agree to mediate this case prior to trial.
I think that may be very helpful, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, no, you all are welcome to mediate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. If there's nothing further, then that concludes our hearing today, okay?
Your Honor, can we go off the record for just a moment?
Sure, we're off the record. Yes, ma'am.
I just want to God bless you.
Oh, well.
I do that to everybody. It's my nature, and I think we all need it more in this present day.
All right. Well, like I said, no issue. I'm just noting the docket sheet. So if you all want to go ahead and begin some correspondence as to some mediation dates, that may make sure this just continues. Okay.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.